Is your spouse's drinking and drug use turning your home into a battlefield? Here's what you need to know before it wrecks your life and your kids' futures. A few months ago, I worked with a client named Melissa. She's a marketing director. She works long hours and provides for her kids and does everything she can to keep her household together. Her husband had started drinking more heavily during the pandemic, and it spiraled fast. At first, it was just a couple of drinks after work. Then it was every night. Then weekends were a blur. Melissa kept hoping he'd get help, but instead, he got angry. He became emotionally abusive. He was unreliable with the kids, and she was constantly covering for him, making excuses, keeping the peace. Eventually, she realized this wasn't just a rough patch. This was her life, and it was hurting her and her children. Substance abuse is one of the biggest reasons people come to see us. And it's not just about someone having a few too many drinks. We're talking about a pattern that's affecting the family, financially, emotionally, and often physically. So in Georgia, substance abuse can absolutely factor into your divorce as well as custody determination, especially when children are involved, and the court takes that very seriously. Now let's talk about what that actually means. First off, Georgia is a fault-based divorce state. That means you can file for divorce on the grounds of habitual intoxication or drug addiction. And yes, that matters. Why? Because proving fault can influence things like child custody, visitation, even property division. If one spouse's substance abuse is putting the children at risk, the judge may limit or even restrict their parenting time. In some cases, the court will order supervised visitation or mandate substance abuse treatment as part of the custody arrangement. Second, it's not just about what you know, it's about what you can prove. A lot of clients come to me and they say, I know they're using, I know they were drunk when they picked up the kids, I know this, I know that, but the court needs evidence. That's what the law is based on, evidence, not allegations. That could be police reports, rehab records, texts, voicemails, even social media posts. The more documentation you have, the better. And here's something people don't always realize. Even if your spouse refuses to get help, the court can still protect you and your kids. We've had judges in Georgia order random drug testing, alcohol monitoring devices, and therapy requirements. So if your spouse violates those orders, it can seriously impact their custody rights. But maybe you're not really ready to file yet. Okay, maybe you're still hoping they'll change. Yeah, we get that. A big part of what we do is to help people understand their rights before they make a move legally. You don't have to wait until everything falls apart to get clarity. Whether you're thinking about leaving or just trying to protect your kids, we can help you figure out the safest and smartest path forward. We deal with these issues all the time, so if you've got questions and you just need someone to walk you through what's possible, reach out to us. We're happy to talk with you. Hey, thanks for watching. Click subscribe, like, follow, and turn on the alerts so that you'll know when we post our new videos. And join us for insights on divorce, custody, and protecting yourself financially, legally, and emotionally. Share the videos and leave comments and ask questions. Also, join our Facebook group, Georgia Divorce and Custody, and I'll see you on the next video.